Hi, I'm Shweta. I was detected with autoimmune thyroid condition in 2017. 2017 we were planning to have kids, so we went for a normal checkup and those tests suggested that I am having thyroid. So the gynec started with 20-50 mg thyroid medicine. That didn't suit me. I was getting giddiness and also she reduced it to 25 mg. So for 4-5 months I took the medicine and I stopped it. I thought ki nothing will happen. So again we went for a checkup. So again the thyroid was high. So then the gynec said that you shouldn't have stopped the medicines and all. See, you have to take these medicines. So somebody suggested me ki go to an endocrinologist who can suggest you properly. So 1 year later I went to an endocrinologist. She said that this is an autoimmune thyroid condition and there is no cure for this. You will have to take medicines lifelong. So we didn't have any option that time. So we continued with the medicines. I took the medicines and I was blessed with twins in 2020. So the entire pregnancy I was taking thyroid medicines, and even after that also I used to take thyroid medicines. So basically 3 years elapsed. I was not, after this twin birth, I was not having time to allot to myself and to search anything, any other option. How can I get rid of this medicines? But when I started this thyroid medicine, it was in back of my mind ki I don't have the patience to take this for my lifetime. I'll have to search something or the other. So when my kids were 3 years old, I started searching options. How can I get rid of this medicine? So first I started with homeopathy also didn't give me the results. So I went Ayurvedic, also didn't give me the results. So then one day my husband saw an ad where the Dr. Prashanti was telling that you can get rid of the autoimmune thyroid condition. So he suggested, why don't you join the program and just listen to what they are saying. Joining the program, listening to the program live was also a big deal because my kids were very small and I was not having that time to listen. So it was very great facility of Wellcure that they used to provide the recording. So I used to hear the recordings after my kids used to sleep at night. So like that I attended the 3-day workshop of autoimmune diseases in somewhere in March 2023. So after that I got the confidence, okay, this is the one way in which I can get cured with this thyroid condition, and I'll not have to take the medicines for my entire life. So 2-3 months elapsed and I was not able to get it into that momentum. So I took one-to-one consultation of Dr. Prashanti, and she took my entire case history right from my childhood and all. That time only I think I took the one-to-one consultation somewhere in May. So she told me that you don't have any thyroid condition. You stop the medicines. I was on the 9th cloud. I stopped the medicine immediately on the next day. But I was again not able to start with the diet and all small things were needed. She had told me that you need some hand holding and you can't do it alone. So I thought ki no, I can do it alone. I have the diet chart. I have all the whatever they have told in the program. I'll follow it and I'll do it alone. But I was not able to do that, and it's not possible also to do alone. So again I took one-to-one consultation for a month, and so I think last June I started it to 2024, and within 1 month I got the result. Within 1 week I was out of my chronic problems, constipation problem. I used to feel tired after doing some work, only for half an hour work, and I used to get tired. So the entire tiredness, the constipation problem was cured within a week only, and within 1 month I was out of this autoimmune thyroid condition also. The 3-day autoimmune program was really an eye opener.